Michael Pepper Tech here with a quick video about the Onyx from Ringke. Loving this case for my iPhone 15 Pro. This is the model with MagSafe. They do have an option for one without it. If for some reason you'd want that, I do not know why you would want that. But I picked up this one. They're constantly having sales on it. Check the links down below for the current price on Amazon. Let's check out the buttons here first. One of the things I really appreciate is that the action button sits a little bit lower than the volume buttons, so I can differentiate with my finger which is which without really looking at it. They're nice and clicky. You'll even notice the action button doesn't click as much as the volume buttons. The power button is nice and clicky. Gunk does not get in and around them, which is nice. I haven't had to take my phone out and clean it a bunch and worry about stuff getting in there and scratching the sides of the phone. There is a spot for a lanyard if you want to connect one of those on either side there. The only branding you'll see from them is on this edge right here. Not much branding at all. Nice and clear on the back as far as that goes. The cameras are covered around them, so protecting the glass except for where the cameras are, but there's a little bit of a lip here, so if you set it down on a table, those will be protected. Same thing with the LiDAR, sits down in there, but it doesn't affect its function. Same thing with the flash and the microphone, does not affect the operation of those at all. I like the texture on the back, nice little grip, a matte texture there, almost reminds me of leather in a way. It is not leather, but it reminds me of that kind of texture. Nice little grip there. Grip along the edges on the sides as well, so that you have some nice grip. What they've done as far as protection for the screen is you'll see that the lip is raised at the top and the bottom, but along the sides it is not, so it doesn't get in the way of the gestures, which is really nice, or typing on the keyboard, your fingers near the edges of the keys there. It does not interfere with that, but still provides enough protection. Also, doesn't come over so far as to interfere with screen protectors. So whether you're using a tempered glass screen protector, a plastic screen protector, whatever it is, thick or thin screen protector, you have plenty of space there to bring it right up to the edge of the phone without it interfering and causing it to peel off. The case fits nice and tight, nice grip there, pulls away from the edge just a little bit, but not so that it's going to pop out, but easy to take it on and off for those of us who like to change cases often. This has been my favorite case so far. I've been using this for about a month steadily. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing if you like this video. Give it a big thumbs up. Stay tuned for more iPhone 15 Pro and other case content. Thanks for watching. If you have this case or have a case that you'd like to see me review, please comment down in the below, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.